Okay. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 2. So today is our first meeting. So let's start with introduction. Let's start with Fazira.
Okay, I am Fazira binti Fatah. My matric number EX03444.
And my name is Natasha Nazaruddin. My matrix number EX03415.
And my name is Anmayan and my metric number is EX03471.
Hi, I'm Tainuli. My matrix number is EX03488.
I'm Suyan Ping. My matrix number is EX03459.
I am Nurul Hakimah binti Muhammad Aris. My matric number is EX03309.
So today is our first meeting. Our mission today is to identify 4 gadgets to be discussed in the next 4 following weeks. Each of us will disclose 1 gadget, and then each of us will justify why we agree and disagree with the gadget. So let's start with Molly.
Hi, I choose the computer or laptops because in this our modern world, one of the most important and necessary item of gadget is computer or laptop. The inventor of the computer is Charles Babbage. There was a time when people used to write long articles by the hand, but now it's not. It's done through the typing on a computer or laptop. A laptop is more compatible and compact version of a computer, and it's like our notebook, but it's more advanced. Laptop and computer can serve every single needs of today. We can work, we can surf the internet, we can play the games, watch the TV, and lots of more. And one more important aspect of laptops and computer is that people can bank online, shop online, buy or sell online, work online, and even more we can earn from the computer, from the online. So I think the computer or laptop is the most important gadgets in this modern world. Thank you. So what do you think?
Okay, for me, I chose smartwatch because, okay, let's talk about the history of the smartwatch. So the first smartwatch is manufactured by Hamilton Watch Company, which in 1972, and later acquired by Seiko Company. So for the early model, it only have the function which is basic tasks, for example, like doing calculations, time telling, translation, and also game playing. So in China, they have invented a children's smartwatch, which is specially for the purpose of children's safety, and the main function is to conduct calls, displaying of time and the date. So nowadays people use smartwatch for other functions. For example, like organize their event. For example, they can set their upcoming event, or they can set their daily tasks to organize their daily life. So I think the smartwatch will help people to organize well and can make their life easier. This is my opinion. Yeah.
Okay, so I agree with your opinion. But for my opinion, I would like to choose the Google Glass because I'm sure for now that most of you hear about the potential of Google Glass. So Google Glass actually is a brand of smart glasses. It's designed in the shape of the pair of smart spectacles. So it was developed by previously Google LAX, and Google Glass displays the information in a smartphone like a hand-free format. So where communicate with the internet via the voice command. So actually Google Glass is into a pair of the Android-based smart spectacle and present the information to the user via the small screens and the edge of their field of vision. So there are a function of the Google Glass such like take a picture, record a video, send a message, and also get direction. So all this is a function of the Google Glass, and Google Glass also have the apps. Means like when they take a photo, they like to share to the social media, just like Instagram and Facebook and so on. So hand-free task means like when example, Google Glass can communicate like, okay Glass, take a photo. So this is a hand-free task for Google Glass. And they are also convenient because just like when the Google Glass take that photo and they can take straightly and they no need to without like take out their cell phone or camera from their pocket or bags. Lastly is the multitask. With the Google Glass, user no longer have to look away from the task they are performing. For instance, like the driver do not need to take their eyes off the road if they need to direction. So there are a few people put in the going through the everyday routine, but while other people put it on like extreme stuff like skydiving. And in my opinion, delivering the Google Glass is designed to make it easier to people to bring the technology. So what about others?
Okay, I like your opinion about Google Glass. But let me talk to about my opinion. I choose a smartphone. Smartphone is a mobile phone which offers advanced technologies with functionality similar as a personal computer. These smartphones today can do almost everything: faster networking system, attractive and powerful applications, and the technology literate users are making these smartphones very powerful these days. Smartphone have the keypad similar to a notebook PC. This type of keypad is known as QWERTY keypad. And the QWERTY keypad smartphone are easy to use and recommended when the user has to always type a lot. And then this new era of technology, there are a lot of companies who are manufacturing not only mobile or cell phone, but even they are trying to put their all expertise in manufacturing smartphones. And some of the main smartphone manufacturing companies are Apple, Nokia, Samsung, and some example of smartphones are iPhone, Xperia, Nokia, N8, and others. And with the growing speed of technological advancement, smartphones have become an essential component of our daily performance. And on the other hand, we need speed, quality, and effectiveness. These features should be combined in a small size. Okay, that's all. Then
Actually, I also choose like Hakima. I also choose smartwatch, handphone, which is smartphone, because smartphone is easy to bring. It's light and it's small. You can put it in your pocket bag, so you can bring it anywhere. So nowadays, such as Hakima said, many companies have many smartphone and they try to improve their function day by day, year by year. Just like iPhone and Samsung, they like to compete each other, which one is better. And then the next thing that I like about the smartphone, because as a student handphone is a compulsory for them because they need to connect with their lectures by WhatsApp and emails. Also they can send in emails via handphone, using handphone. And if you go to class, you don't have the slide, you can just take a picture using your phone and study back at your room. So easy to communicate using the handphone because it's like I mentioned. And it's also handphone, also you can use it to search the info as long as you have a data, and you can search for the info that you want as a student. So smartwatch, so not smartwatch, handphone is the compulsory need whether you're a student or not. So that is my opinion about handphone. What about Fazira?
I agree with you, but can I suggest camera or DSLR camera? I choose DSLR camera because I think it also important, especially for who like photo shoot, to take picture, nice view, nice nature. I know you guys will say why not using smartphone, because smartphone can also take picture, but I mean for more good quality picture, I choose to using DSLR, especially for, like I mentioned just now, photo shoot, travel. So DSLR camera is more suitable for take good picture. That's all.
Okay, so everyone already give their opinion and their suggestion about what gadget that they want to talk about. And so for next video, we need to decide what we want to discuss. So what do you think about the second week? What do you think we need to choose?
I think handphone.
Handphone. So everyone agree?
Yeah.
Okay, handphone. So the second week is handphone, and the third week, what do you think?
I think laptop is also one of the important gadgets.
Yes,
Everyone agree?
yes, I agree.
Okay, so and the fourth week?
I think Google Glass, because that we can do some research more about Google Glass.
Google Glass. Any objection? No? Okay, and the fifth week?
I think we can choose the smartwatches.
Smartwatch. Okay. So we already decide. The second week we will talk about handphone, and the third week we will talk about laptop. The fourth week we will talk about Google Glass, and the fifth week we will talk about the smartwatch. And the last week and the sixth video, we will discuss which one is better, which gadget is better among the 4 gadgets that we choose. So let's set our mind to commit the assignment.
Okay.
Okay.
See you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.